Cyclonic rainfall. Cyclonic rainfall is caused when warm and cold air masses meet at a front. As cold air is denser, it remains close to the ground, while the warm air rises above it. As it rises, it expands and cools, resulting in rainfall. Cyclonic rainfall mostly occurs in temperate and tropical regions. In the tropics, the trade winds blowing towards the equator meet at the Intertropical Convergence Zone, ITCZ. The air is forced to rise, and along with strong convection currents, it forms the heavy afternoon thunderstorms associated with the equatorial climate.